Honda CRF 450RWE popular 2024 motorcycles. Honda Motorcycles proudly presents the CRF 450RWE for 2024, an elite motocross machine engineered to deliver championship-winning performance straight from the factory floor. Born from Honda's racing pedigree and developed in collaboration with its championship-winning race team, the CRF 450RWE raises the bar for motocross excellence with its advanced technology, race-proven components, and unmatched attention to detail. Factory-level performance. The Honda CRF 450RWE is powered by a race-ready 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, meticulously tuned for maximum power and torque to dominate the competition. Its lightweight chassis and agile handling characteristics ensure precise control and responsiveness, allowing riders to push the limits on the track with confidence. The CRF 450RWE's race-ready suspension system, featuring factory-spec show of front and rear components, provides exceptional damping and adjustability, delivering a plush yet controlled ride over even the roughest terrain. Advanced technology and features. Equipped with cutting-edge technology and features, the Honda CRF 450RWE offers riders a competitive edge with race-proven performance and precision. Its programmable fuel injection system delivers precise throttle response and optimal power delivery, while selectable engine mapping allows riders to tailor the bike's performance to suit their riding style and track conditions. The CRF 450RWE also features a lightweight electric starter for quick and effortless starts, as well as a HRC launch control system for lightning-fast hull shots off the line. Exclusive factory components. Setting the CRF 450RWE apart from its competitors are its exclusive factory components, meticulously crafted to deliver unparalleled performance and durability on the track. From its lightweight titanium exhaust system to its factory-spec wheels and brakes, every component on the CRF 450RWE is engineered to meet the demands of professional racers and enthusiasts alike. Endorsement from champions and enthusiasts. The Honda CRF 450RWE has already earned praise from champions and enthusiasts for its championship-winning performance, race-proven reliability, and exclusive factory components. With its unmatched combination of power, precision, and factory-level technology, the CRF 450RWE is poised to dominate the motocross scene and inspire a new generation of riders to push their limits and chase victory on the track. Shaping the future of motocross racing. With the introduction of the CRF 450RWE, Honda Motorcycles reaffirms its commitment to shaping the future of motocross racing, offering riders a factory-level motorcycle that pushes the boundaries of performance and innovation. As riders embrace the CRF 450RWE and its race-proven technology, Honda is poised to lead the way in redefining motocross excellence for years to come.